Hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys, I'm starting the season off with these medium knotless feed-in braids. You guys, simple. If you like this lovely hairstyle, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Our subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you so much. All right, my loves, let's just get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys make sure you are oiling up your scalp, greasing it, doing whatever you can to keep it from being dry. Remember, these are going to be medium box braids. They're going to be locked in, and we want to make sure our scalp is nicely oiled and not so dry, not flaky. And going through all of these steps that we're going to be going through today is going to help prevent all of that. I got this hair from Amazon. It has like this purple bluish like color on the end, and I think it's perfect, especially for October. But you guys go online and go ahead and start checking out some colors just for these knotless braids. When I say we're going to be greasing our hair, we're going to be greasing every step of the way. We're going to be greasing to making sure we're not going to have a dry scalp. We are trying to grow as well, you guys. That's the whole point when you're doing your hair, is growth, and for it to be nice and healthy. That's our goal when doing our hair or when getting our hair done. You guys, I am not a pro when it comes to parting. That is one of my, I'm not too great in parting. I'm on a negative on that note. But as you can see, I am using mirrors. You guys, using a mirror will help so much. It will take the stress off you. You will have straight parts. You can get a lot done if you have mirrors, if you're able to see behind you. So please don't be afraid to get some mirrors out and do your hair. Starting each braid out, we're going to be using that Shine and Gem to get it nice and silky and smooth. When we add our hair, we're going to add it. We're going to push it in between our pointed and our index finger, and you're going to feed that into there. And you're going to just braid. You're going to braid a couple times or one time, however you feel comfortable, and then you're going to keep adding. You're going to add a small amount. You don't need a big amount because this is supposed to look natural as possible. That's the whole point of feed in or knotless, is so that it looks like your natural hair. When putting this hair in, I only use 3 pieces. My hair seems thick by looking at it, but once I start braiding my hair, it looks thinner, it feels thinner. So just make sure you're not putting a lot of hair or feeding in a lot of hair to your braids. I'm an under braider. I always feel comfortable braiding under. I have a struggle braiding. Is that normal? I don't know. I have a struggle braiding the other way. This is my comfortable way. Whatever feels comfortable to you, you guys do it. At the end of each braid, I just knot it up, grab a tiny little piece of hair, and I just knot it up because we are going to be dipping these braids at the end. As I always say, you guys, please be gentle, be kind, and be really, really soft on your edges. Your edges are what matters. You want your edges when doing your hair. So you can braid a little tight, but not tight enough to where you can't think or you can't blink. If you can't blink, that means it's too tight. Or if you can't go to sleep, you need to probably take it down. So just be a little gentle around your edges. We are at the last braid again, you guys. We're braiding normally. We're braiding as if this is our natural hair. That's the whole point of this. I like the way these braids sit. I like the way they feel. They're not too big and they're definitely not too small. And this will, to be honest, will probably last you about 2 weeks, depending on how you maintain it. If you tie it up at night, if you continue to gel a little bit of your edges down, you can maintain this for a couple weeks. You got this, sweethearts. You are going to grab that tail end of the comb and just smooth it together to make sure all the pieces are put in, like, to the puzzle, and just make sure it's nice and neat. You guys, I love the size of it. It's not too long. It doesn't go down my back. You guys, I think this is perfect for a nice little starting of our holidays, of fall, my sweetie pies. Okay, make sure when you're cutting, you're going to cut downward. Do not cut from side to side. It makes a difference, and it makes it, again, looks good. All right, my loves, please, and I mean please, be careful. Caution when you're dipping your hair in this hot water. It's you can either have someone help you dip, or please use layers and layers of towels just so you can be a little cautious and be more careful not to burn yourself. The Shining Gem Scalp Oil, you guys, I love it. After every hairstyle, or, before every hairstyle, make sure you're putting this in your parts. This is to nourish it. This is to make it feel good, and it also helps with growth. I love using Shining Gem products, you guys. Don't forget to look in the description box below, or go to your local beauty supply store. You guys, some people recommend using a hair dryer after you add the mousse in. I don't. You can just rub it all in, or you can go ahead and use that blow dryer just to get the white from setting, or to get it setting in better, but just go ahead and rub that in, and you guys, you are good to go when it's coming to that mousse. Yes, 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 my loves. This is the finished result, and I am loving it. I love the purple at the end. It really shines and pops. You guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you, precious hearts, next time.